In our previous videos we discussed 10 ways to use Chat GPT, but it doesn't stop there. In our set of bite-sized videos we will bring you 10 more ways you can use Chat GPT. Coding assistance. Chat GPT can help you with coding questions, provide code snippets, and offer guidance on programming concepts or debugging issues. Virtual personal assistant. Use Chat GPT as your virtual assistant to set reminders, schedule appointments, manage tasks, and organize your daily activities. Debate partner. Engage in a friendly debate with Chat GPT on various topics, allowing you to explore different perspectives and strengthen your argumentative skills. Meditation and mindfulness. Chat GPT can guide you through mindfulness exercises, offer calming affirmations, or even provide personalized meditation sessions to promote relaxation and well-being. Educational support. Chat GPT can serve as a study companion, helping you understand complex subjects, providing explanations, and quizzing you on academic topics. Health and fitness advice. Ask Chat GPT for workout routines, healthy recipes, nutritional information, or even get tips on maintaining a balanced lifestyle. Event planning. Whether it's a birthday party, a wedding, or a corporate event, Chat GPT can assist you with planning, budgeting, and providing creative ideas to make your event a success. Travel planning. Get travel recommendations, explore itineraries, discover hidden gems, and receive tips on accommodations, transportation, and local attractions from Chat GPT. Motivational coach. Feeling demotivated? Chat GPT can provide motivational quotes, positive affirmations, and guidance to help you overcome challenges and stay focused on your goals. Artistic inspiration. If you're an artist, Chat GPT can offer artistic prompts, suggest different art styles or techniques, and provide feedback on your work, encouraging your creativity to flourish. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell.